Before buying a laptop for CAD and 3D modeling, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many models look flashy and feature-rich, but true performance comes down to specific needs and how a laptop can handle resource-intensive tasks.
Product number 1, HP 14 laptop. Let's kick things off with the HP 14 laptop. Priced at just $194.50, this one caught my attention for its portability and low price. If you want a budget-friendly option that still offers decent performance for CAD applications, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features an Intel Celeron N4020 processor, which is surprisingly efficient for basic tasks and running lighter CAD software. The 14-inch HD display means you can clearly see your designs, even if the resolution isn't top-notch. It's also ultra-thin and lightweight, making it a great choice if you need to take your work on the go. Now, some users complained about the 4GB RAM, saying it feels limiting. Here's the thing though. While it might struggle with very intensive tasks, it's ideal for those who work with less demanding software or smaller projects. So if you're just starting or have simple needs, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a student or just need something for light CAD work. Skip this one if you're looking to run heavy 3D modeling software like SolidWorks or Autocad at full capacity. For the price, you're getting good value. Now, if that limited RAM bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Asus ROG Strix G16. The Asus ROG Strix G16, priced at $1,299.99. This laptop has a killer look and serious power, which immediately caught my eye. If you want something that can handle demanding 3D modeling with ease, this is a fantastic option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It packs an Intel Core i7-14650HX processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card. What does that mean for you? It means you can run heavy CAD software while multitasking without skipping a beat. The 16GB DDR5 RAM and 1TB SSD let you load your projects quickly and keep everything running smoothly. However, some users mention that it can get pretty hot during extended use. But honestly, with the ROG Intelligent Cooling System, it's designed to manage that heat effectively. If you're working on complex designs for long hours, it keeps the performance optimal. This is perfect for you if you're a professional designer or gamer who needs high performance. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to carry around. For the power it offers, the price is justified. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability and performance. Product number 3, Lenovo Legion LOQ. Let's talk about the Lenovo Legion LOQ, priced at $899.99. This laptop stands out with its sleek design and powerful specs. If you want a balanced machine that handles both gaming and CAD, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features an Intel Core i7-13650HX and a GeForce RTX 5050, which delivers smooth performance for 3D rendering and modeling. The 15.6-inch FHD display with a 144Hz refresh rate ensures that your visuals are not just clear, but also vibrant, which is crucial for detailed work. Some users reported that battery life could be better, but here's the thing. With the kind of power this laptop offers, it's built for performance over battery longevity. If you're near a power source while working, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a laptop that can game and design well. Skip this one if you need extreme portability, as it's a bit heavier. For what you get, the price is quite reasonable. Now, if you're aiming for something even more budget-friendly without sacrificing too much performance, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, HP Stream 14, which is priced at $359. This laptop is designed for budget-conscious users, and it has a bright, attractive design. If you need something for lighter CAD tasks without breaking the bank, this one's worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes equipped with an Intel Celeron N150, 16GB RAM, and a total storage of 288GB. While that might not seem like much for heavy-duty tasks, the RAM helps with multitasking and running basic CAD programs smoothly. The 14-inch display offers decent clarity for your projects. However, some reviews mention that the performance can lag with more demanding applications. I'll be real with you, if you're planning on using intensive software, you might want to look elsewhere, but for simple tasks, it's quite functional. This is perfect for you if you're a student or casual user who needs basic functionality. Skip this one if you're a power user who needs top-tier specs. For light work, it's a solid deal. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more premium that's still portable, let's wrap up with our final product.
Product number 5, Dell Latitude 7420. We have the Dell Latitude 7420, a renewed model priced at around $899. This laptop is known for its sleek carbon fiber design and solid performance. If you need something reliable for CAD and 3D work, give this one a serious consideration. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features an Intel Core i7-1165G7 processor and 16 GB RAM, which means it's capable of handling more complex models without stuttering. The 512 GB SSD ensures you have plenty of space for your work files and quick load times. Some users did point out that the display brightness could be better, but honestly, for CAD work, it's still functional enough, and you can always work in a well-lit environment. It's a solid workhorse overall. This is perfect for you if you're a professional needing reliability and performance. Skip this one if you prefer gaming laptops with flashy specs. For the build quality and performance, you're getting good value for a renewed device.
To wrap things up, we've covered a range of laptops from budget-friendly options like the HP 14 to powerful machines like the Asus ROG Strix G16. Each one has its strengths depending on what you're looking for. If you need portability, check out the HP Stream 14. For serious performance, the Lenovo Legion LOQ is a strong contender. Whatever your needs, there's a solid pick here for every CAD and 3D modeling requirement.